Good day. Welcome to the Prokon YouTube channel. My name is Michael Klomp and I'm a technical support consultant at Prokon. Today I'm going to illustrate to you how to add a single bar using Probar 2D. This video discusses the parameters of the add bar dialog and will illustrate how to draw in a single bar by following the AutoCAD prompts. Click on the add bar dialog on the far left of the Probar 2D ribbon. Shapecode. You can choose the shapecode you require in accordance with the detailing code you have specified. Bar step. This is not required when adding a single bar. Diameter. The bar diameter can be chosen from the various industry standards. Type. Either a high yield steel bar or a mild steel bar can be chosen. Number of. The standard default of 1 is used for this example. Bar mark. A bar mark using letters or digits can be defined. Spacing. The spacing of a single bar is not relevant for this example. Tag. A tag specifies where the bar is located relative to the member's cross-section. B is for bottom, T is for top, FF is for far face, NF is for near face, and EF is for each face. Label override. The bar label properties can be changed in the bar setup dialog. Member. A name can be allocated to the member being detailed. This is beneficial when grouping bar marks within the bending schedule. Number of member. The total number of identical members being detailed can be defined. Layer. The bar layer for detailing can be specified according to the layers loaded in the AutoCAD template. Once all the parameters for the single bar have been specified, we are now ready to add the bar to AutoCAD's model space. First, pick the bar start and end insertion points. Then specify the location of the text. Lastly, decide whether or not to reduce the cover of the bar. The top, bottom, and side cover can be defined in the bar setup dialog. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. For more tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications.